What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm whispering, and it's because everyone's asleep, so I kind of gotta keep my voice down, but I do want to answer some questions because I still need to make some videos to hold me over for a while. So here we go. Our press, you asked me, well, you told me the weirdest thing happened to your truck today. The rear driver's window rolled down on its own and it can't roll back up. You replaced the window. I replaced the window regulator and as soon as I connected everything, window rolled down and won't go back up. So any suggestions? Okay, so you said that it rolled down on its own and can't roll back up, and you replaced the window regulator. So what I would suggest that you do is make sure that you check to see that there isn't any pinch wires. Make sure there's no cracks in the wire insulation. Make sure everything looks like it's functioning right. Can it go up from the rear door switch? Can it go up from the master switch? Make sure that you didn't accidentally press the door lock, the actual lock on the master switch, so none of the windows go up. Check your other windows, see if they work. If this only started happening after you replaced the window regulator, then there's an issue. Something either happened, like either you crimped or pressed against the wire, or something is just not sitting right. So if I was you, I'd go back, retrace my steps, just pull the panel off and take another look. Make sure that all the wires are loose and free. Make sure nothing is crimped and pressed on, and let me know what goes on, man. Hope this helps. Hope this gives you some kind of guidance. That being said, I'll see you later.